let's open up an Excel file. And there's various ways that we can open up Excel. We can open up the file via our quick access toolbar. We can go to our backstage. Alternatively, we can launch the file from wherever we saved it, or we can even look at our file explorer and find it from there, or even use a keyboard shortcut, Control and O. So let's start with the quick access toolbar. Let's click on the open icon. From here it defaults to open. I can either look in workbooks or I can look in folders. If I know I've got my save file, and this can even be under the pinned files as well. If I click on my save file, it launches the file. Let me close it up, go back, and let's use the keyboard shortcut Control and O. What I can do now is go to my folders, click on desktop, and there's my saved file. Close it up again. I can even go to my backstage, go to file open, and I can look for it in my recent file locations, or I can look for it in this PC, or I can click on browse and find it via my file explorer. From there as well, let me just go out and close Excel again. You can see there that the file was saved to the desktop. I can just double click on the file and that will open up the file as well.